Hi everyone, welcome back to my Velocity Voyage. I have an update for my week number 1. As a recap, my first voyage is to repay a $6,190 balance transfer with Discover number 1 before the due date of October 13th. My first initial working plan was to repay the balance transfer in weekly chunks of $619. I would then park my $619 payment in my Visa card as a way to pay down interest and to satisfy the Visa payment of $130 and then turning that Visa payment into cash flow. I have my Visa credit card through a credit union and I can directly transfer in and out of that credit line through a checking account. It finally dawned on me how much easier it would be to just apply the whole income to the Visa card and then make payments as needed, which is a perfect example of how Velocity Banking works. So now you may be wondering if the $619 goal set for week 1 was met. Yes, it was in fact reached, and the actual number that was paid was $784.62. There was an income actually of $951.08, and then I have some items that needed to come out. I have water and trash, but due to the fact I'm paying that with one of my Citibank cards, that didn't have an impact on what I paid, so that went to the Citibank card, which I will make the payment on these next week. And basically the only thing that came out this time was my Discover 2 payment of $236, because the Visa payment of $130 turned into cash flow. So that allowed me for week 1 to pay off $784.62 to my Discover 1. So now my plan is to go ahead and probably send that off to the Discover 1, because the statement has just cycled through. And since I was able to put extra onto that, that makes it so I only need to have $600.60 to meet my week 2 goal in order to still get that paid off in enough time. And also, I have decided that with the week-by-week basis, instead of like breaking down my paycheck to a portion for the mortgage, a portion for the car payment, that each week I'm just going to go ahead and tackle the items as they come due. For example, the week 1 I went ahead and tackled Discover 2. Week 2 will be my 3 Citibank cards, plus all extra will go to Discover 1. Week 3 will be the car note with all extra going to Discover 1. And then week 4 will be the mortgage with all the extra going to the Discover after that has been satisfied. So we're well on track to getting this accomplished, which is pretty exciting. I wasn't sure how that would work out, but so far it is going great. And I thank you for joining me on my Velocity Banking voyage. Please subscribe and ask any questions, and I'll see you for a week number 2 update, if not sooner, if I have something else that comes up that I want to bring up and talk to you about. So thank you for watching. Have a good night.